Okay, everybody, we're back with an update here. Just wanted to let everybody know what the current status is of the Frankenkindle project. If you look over here, we've got it running an automated test just to kind of prove out all the functions here. We're still in the Kindle user's guide, and we just have it set to execute the scripts to turn forward one page. There, it's turning right now. Then in a few seconds, it'll turn back one page. It'll go back to the menu. It'll navigate the menu, come back to this document, and repeat the whole process over again. So it's executing or exercising all the functions of what the user would be allowed to do with this particular device. And there it is, navigating the menus, down, down, back up. Eventually these will all be triggered by button presses from the user, but for now it's just executing a test just to make sure it's reliable. So looking over here, we've got the same ribbon cable we had before. This is a breakout box that I got for the sole purpose of not having to solder that connector. That is very, very difficult to solder. It's going over a simple 20-pin ribbon cable, I should say, over to the new Frankenkindle board itself. This is the newly redesigned custom PCB that some of your donations helped pay for. Thank you very much. The long green connector there on the side, or the long green chip over there on the side, is actually a development board called the Teensy. The two red ones are the multiplexers. Those are the ones that are actually handling the button press events to the Kindle. And then all the black connectors are on the side. Those are basically headphone jacks, or 3.5mm audio jacks. That will facilitate connections to the buttons. The idea is the button will have a simple cable attached to each button, and then they'll simply plug into this board here. So rather than permanently soldering them and then having to cut them later if anything changes, I can simply unplug them. So anyway, here we are. Everything works. The next step is going to be to mount this into a new wooden enclosure that actually exists, but I don't yet have pictures of. And then we should be good to go. So we're seeing good progress here. Thank you for all your support and for the interest in the project.